Hello, welcome to my channel. Focus on skills. How to write a sizzling sales letter. What is a sales letter? A sales letter is a direct marketing tool that persuades potential customers to buy a product or service. It typically sells a single product or product line. Its goal is to show a customer how your business will benefit them. They can be effective if they are composed, using persuasive techniques and strong content. Businesses use sales letters in both online and print formats. Writing effective business letters is an acquired skill, and acquiring it involves a lot of hard work. Practice will give you that natural ease of expression. The letter must sound more like a conversation than a ritual chanting of commercial correspondence cliches. Lively letters read like conversations. They are warmer and likely to have greater impact on the reader. A light conversational tone is generally more effective than a heavy formal tone. You can't create a lively conversational feel if your sentences are long. So keep them short. Long sentences with several dependent clauses are difficult to understand without rereading. Use short words, short sentences, and short paragraphs. Generally prefer the active voice to the passive voice. Make your sales letters easy to read and easy to understand. Link up ideas logically. Present the facts in such a way that the reader arrives on his own at the decision you want. Make the customer feel that he is getting value for money. No price is high or low for the value he thinks he gets from the product or service. The focus should be on making the customer feel value addition. To retain a customer, a company should deliver what it promises in its sales letters. Drive out hackneyed phrases which make your letters wordy. Avoid wasteful phrases like, with reference to the above cited. This is for your kind information. You are requested to please arrange for. Your communication has been received and the contents noted carefully, etc. Avoid these at the start of a business letter. Use simple common words. How to write a sales letter to attract potential customer. Write a catchy headline to grab your customer's attention. Hook him by identifying what he needs and why. Establish credibility and include key information. Use testimonials or statistics. Give customer a call to action. Use a postscript to add a guarantee or personal address. The business of selling. The first rule of writing sales letters is to start with the customer. He should feel that he is getting something by paying attention to you. Start with what attracts him, not with what makes you great. Avoid words and phrases which might create an impression that you are not competent or not in control. A good sales letter starts with the needs of the customer. An incompetently drafted sales letter may turn away prospective customers. Writing a sales letter is a way to directly reach consumers to convince them to invest in a product or service. They should be personal and informal in their tone to invite them to discover more about an offer. Anticipate and deal with some of the customer's misgivings. Make it easy for him to respond. Otherwise, he may postpone action and forget all about your proposal. Don't shoot in the dark. Make sales letters specific to target groups. Your customers vary a great deal. Draft different letters to suit different types of customers. Do not send out sales letters to all and sundry at random. Find out as much as you can about the potential customers and draft the letter in a way that indicates your knowledge and interest in them. It is suicidal to make the customers feel that you are interested only in your growth and profits. They may not play along if they are not convinced that they benefit from collaborating with you. Share with the customer a common experience dreaming of good things in life. That instantly removes the barrier between the buyer and the seller. They become part of a group with shared dreams and ideas. The customer should feel that you are interested in them and their concerns. Tickle the reader's ego. Flattery is verbal bribery. It is as dirty as cash bribes. There is an ego in all of us, waiting to be tickled or massaged. If you bruise someone's ego, they may not do business with you. You ignore it at your peril. Need for recognition and appreciation is often far more powerful than need for money. Say it with flowers. A compliment or word of appreciation is the sweetest when it is least expected. It is also very powerful in creating goodwill, which is much more satisfying to both parties. Ego bashing creates incalculable damage to the customer. There are ways of rejecting the suggestions without hurting their egos. Think of the time spent on planning better letters as an investment in them and their concerns. Next video on different forms of business sell. Etis.